everyone, Happy New Year! This will be our first recipe of the year, 2024. This is inspired by my friend's recipe, braised string beans and potato. She made it with flat beans and also pork. I'm gonna use the string beans and chicken. Let's cook! I already washed the string beans and we'll have one medium potato. See the cut into pieces. That half and half. So this way they'll cook at the same time. This one. And we need some garlic. I got those peeled garlic from the market. It's pretty convenient. 5. Lots of garlic. Should be enough, right? 4. Yep, 4 is enough. Save 1. Save 1 chicken breast. You can also use chicken thigh, also pork, as my friend did. Yeah, we tried a few times, really liked it. Half should be enough. Just trim the fat. And then slice it. You can also cut more into smaller pieces, like that, roughly. Okay, let me wash my hands. Still a little bit frozen. As usual, I add salt and white pepper powder. You can also use black pepper. And we're not gonna add the starch because we're gonna braise it. So mix it. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to high heat. Add some oil. Use avocado oil. Wait till the oil is hot. First we are going to fry our chicken. Stir fry. Going to cook about 2 to 3 minutes. After a few minutes, you can see the chicken is getting brown. Add garlic. And followed by our green beans. A lot, eh? Why not? String beans are the heroes. And potato. Mix it. Add some salt. Light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce if you have it. Really good for color. and greasy. Mix it. Nice color. Now I add water. Warm water. Almost cover the ingredients. That's about it. Bring this to boil. Now it's boiling. Let's turn the heat to medium high and cover it. Cook about 10 minutes until vegetables are tender. After about 10 minutes, let's check and go. Done. Let's try this string bean. Turn the heat to high so the liquid will evaporate. String beans also done. With a little bit salt. Oh, it's right. Taste it and adjust it. You don't have to measure it. Give another minute or two. Now you can see it's no more liquid. And it's ready. Ah, looks so good. Look at the potato, chicken, string beans. Come on. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, that's good.
Potato.
A chicken. Woo!
Braised.
It's delicious. It's so simple too.
So simple.
Potatoes done perfectly.
Right? 10 minutes. And the ingredients so simple. Raise your hand if you cannot find those ingredients. If you don't have a dark soy sauce, that's fine. Just use a light soy sauce. Please try to make it. Such simple dish, but so delicious. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.